Very good morning, good afternoon, and very good evening to all of you. Most welcome to my YouTube channel Bhanu Pratap Singh Vagad. In this video, today I am going to have a look upon a basic daily routine part 2. Okay, so in this video, you people are getting some basic sentences of your day to day life. Okay, if you are school going boy or girl and college going boy or girl, this video or these sentences can help you out. Okay, it's not at all advanced daily routine, it's a normal daily routine for beginners, for freshers. So if you are beginners, this video is very useful for all of you. All right, so be with me. In this video you will learn to use some basic verbs. Okay, how to use first form of the verb with the sentence and how to make small sentences. Okay, so you can read all the sentences, so one by one I'll tell you. Okay, in my yesterday's video I spoke about only two sentences. All right, so what did I speak? I wake up at 5 o'clock. All right, here you can use I wake up at 5 o'clock every morning. मैं हर सुबह 5 बजे उठता हूँ. And instead of using every morning, you can say I wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning. Now about timing, you have to be cautious. Like suppose if you are going to wake up at sharp timing, all right, see 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. So if you wake up at exact time, so you have to say o'clock. All right, and suppose here if you wake up at 5:30, so you have to speak I wake up at 5:30 every morning. Okay, but you do not have to speak 5:30 o'clock. No, we people do not speak that. All right, I wake up at 5:30 early in the morning, every morning in the morning. Okay, so you can choose your prescribed timing. All right, so this is the first sentence. I wake up at 5 o'clock. Here wake up is the first form of the verb. All right, so and the second sentence is what? Then I brush my teeth. Here brush is also first form of the verb. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Here also you can speak then I clean my teeth and wash my face. All right, it is up to you. These are only examples. Okay, just for guiding you. Now it is up to you to utilize these all sentences in your day to day life and use it. Okay, the third one is what? Then I take bath. Okay, or apart from using then I take bath, you can say then I have a quick shower. All right, I have a bath, then I take bath. It is up to you, my dear lovely students, to use take bath or then I take shower or I have a quick shower. All right, any sentence you can use. Okay, there are many ways to speak. So which sentence you like, which is in which sentence you are comfortable, that is important for you. Okay, if you are comfortable in this, if you are comfortable in this sentence, you can. Okay, the fourth one, then I wear school uniform, then I wear my school uniform. All right, you can also speak then I wear school dress. Okay, and I get dressed in my school uniform. I get dressed in my school uniform. Okay, दोनों का मतलब एक ही है. मैं स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म पहनता हूं, मैं मेरी स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म पहनता हूं और मैं स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म पहनता हूं. ओके, एंड आई हैव अ ब्रेकफास्ट. उसके बाद मैं ब्रेकफास्ट करता हूं. आई टेक ब्रेकफास्ट भी बोल सकते हैं आप. आई टेक ब्रेकफास्ट एंड आई हैव अ ब्रेकफास्ट. आई हैव अ हेल्थी ब्रेकफास्ट, ये भी बोल सकते हैं. ओके, एंड द सिक्स्थ वन, देन आई गेट रेडी फॉर स्कूल. ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ नॉर्मल डेली रूटीन है. बहुत सारे वाक्य मैंने नहीं लिखे हैं, सिर्फ और सिर्फ गाइडेंस के तौर पे मैंने कुछ सेंटेंसेस लिखे हैं ताकि एक बार आपका आइडिया क्लियर हो जाए. आपको एक बार आइडिया पता लग गया, वंस योर आइडिया इज क्लियर, you can make sentences, your own sentences. Okay, you can utilize your brain, you can click your mind, you can tell your head, okay, this I do. Okay, so I have to speak like this. All right, because I do not know what actually you do at home. Okay, you must be going for morning walk, exercise, yoga, meditating, means anything you could do and you must be doing. I do not know, but these are only examples, and based upon that you can choose any sentence. All right, so then I get ready for school. Okay, before that I have a breakfast. I have a healthy breakfast. Okay, you can also say I have a glass of milk. I take a cup of tea. Okay, देन आई गेट रेडी फॉर स्कूल, स्कूल के लिए तैयार होता हूं. देन आई गेट रेडी फॉर स्कूल, स्कूल के लिए मैं तैयार होता हूं. ऑलराइट. द सेवंथ वन, आई लीव फॉर स्कूल एट 9 o'clock. मैं स्कूल के लिए निकलता हूं घर से. ओके. और आई गो टू स्कूल, आई लीव माई हाउस शार्प 9. जो मर्जी हो आपके वो सेंटेंस आप यूज करें. ओके. सो आई लीव फॉर स्कूल एट 9 o'clock. मैं 9 बजे निकलता हूं स्कूल के लिए. राइट. देन आई रीच टू स्कूल एट 10 o'clock. अब स्कूल, जो भी आपका स्कूल का टाइम है, माई स्कूल टाइम इज 10 to 4. ओके. सो यू कैन चूज योर स्कूल टाइमिंग. राइट. 8:30, 9 o'clock, whatever. So I reach to school at 10 o'clock. Then I attend prayer. Then I attend assembly. Assembly भी बोल सकते हैं और prayer भी आप बोल सकते हैं. Okay. Then I attend classes, periods. Okay. क्लास अटेंड करता हूं, करती हूं. Then I have lunch at 1 PM. अब जितने बजे भी आपका लंच होता है, अभी यहां पे मैं फर्स्ट पीरियड अटेंड करता हूं, सेकंड पीरियड अटेंड करता हूं, थर्ड पीरियड नो, सिर्फ नॉर्मल बोलना है आपको प्रैक्टिस के लिए. फिर जब थोड़ा सा आप सीख जाओ फिर आप एडवांस वर्जन यूज कर सकते हैं. ऑलराइट. लॉट ऑफ वीडियोज आर अवेलेबल ऑन यूट्यूब. ओके. इफ यू हैव टाइम यू कैन वॉच. ओके. एंड इफ यू आर हैप्पी विद दिस वीडियो, with this matter, most welcome. Then I attend classes, and then at 11th I have lunch at 1 PM. lunch लेता हूँ मैं 1 बजे. alright. स्कूल में जो भी आप ब्रेकफास्ट करते हैं, मीन्स whatever tiffin you take with you. okay. Tiffin is what? Tiffin is a food which is in the lunch box, in the tiffin box. So tiffin is a food actually. It's a breakfast. okay. So you take lunch at 1 PM. okay. Instead of using lunch, people use brunch also. BRUNCH. Alright. So it's up to you. And then I attend next classes. okay. उसके बाद मैं next classes attend करता हूँ. Alright. So these are the basic sentences. Once again I'll have a look upon the verbs. The first one is wake up, then brush my teeth, brush and wash. Here take and have, wear, I wear, I get dressed, have, get ready, leave for school, reach, attend, have and attend. okay. So with I, how you have to use verb, that should be there in the head. Alright. So my dear lovely students, practice should be done. Practice makes man perfect. And if you are doing the right practice, definitely it will take some time, but the day will come, your practice will give you result. okay. And consistency in the practice, hard work in the practice. If you do your work with heart, if you believe in God, if you believe in yourself, nothing is impossible. Alright. So no need to worry where you born and brought up. If you belong to village, doesn't matter. Studying government school, doesn't matter. Not having English medium environment, nobody is speaking English around you, no matter where you belong, where are you from. What matters? You do it from your heart. You work hard. Okay. And you believe in yourself. You have faith in God and you work with heart, then result is there. No need to worry about result. Okay. So these are the 12 sentences. Now apart from these all sentences, what else sentences you can use? See. okay. I will erase these sentences and I'll have a look upon other sentences. okay. So use these all to make sure that if you learn these all sentences and if you do practice these sentences in your day-to-day life, then be ready to improve. You have to have one thing in your mind, that I have to learn English whatever happens. My life is mine, my parents are mine, and I have to do something better for my life. And if I will use and if I will utilize my timing and if I will give my 100%, no one can stop me to reach my goal. Okay. So Many times in my videos I have spoken this sentence that arise, awake and stop not till the goal is reached. If you decide, if you work hard, you get the result. Okay, so you just attend all the classes up to 1 o'clock or up to 4 o'clock and you leave your school. Okay, so here you can use that I get leave from school. I get leave from school. Alright, I get leave from school. Alright, then I go home. Okay, I change my uniform, or you can use I change my dress. Alright, then I take rest. Okay, and I complete my school homework. Alright, I complete my school homework. I complete my school HW. Alright, and I play game with my friends. Okay, and I play with my friends. Okay, with my friends. Okay, then okay, here you can use then after then afterwards. Then I alright, then I have dinner. Alright, finish this dilute. Then I have dinner. Alright, then I go to bed. चलो फिनिश कर दे इसको. Go to bed. फिर मैं सो जाता हूँ. तो अब आप देखिए, see, then I get leave from school, then I go home, then I reach to home, then I change my school uniform or school dress, then I take rest. Alright, then I take rest, then I complete my school HW means homework, and then I play with my friends, then I have dinner. Alright, then I go to bed. Alright, so approximately there we wrote about 12 sentences. So 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Alright, so there are about 20 sentences of your day-to-day life, and if you are a school going boy and girl, so this could be your routine. Okay, it is up to you to change your actual routine. Means you can use your own sentences. Alright, so this normal routine is going to help you out. Alright, mark my word, my dear lovely students. Mark my word, if you practice these all sentences and if you speak loudly at your home, okay, for practice I would give you one suggestions. What suggestions I will give you? Do mirror talking. Alright, what you have to do, you just stand in front of mirror. Alright, suppose this is a mirror, you stand before it and speak loudly. Okay, so this will, and it's called mirror talking, and mirror talking is a weapon to improve, because I have done it and still I do, just to get confidence. Mirror talking is very, very important thing. Alright, if you are preparing for interview, preparing for any, for like you are doing anchoring somewhere, and you have got the chance that okay, your name has announced that you are going to do anchoring on that particular day, and you are participating in group discussion, you are participating in debate competition, you are participating somewhere on the school stage, it means anywhere. What you have to do, just to get confidence, you have to do mirror talking. And if you will do mirror talking, I am pretty sure you will get confidence, you will improve. Alright, so these sentences will help you out, I am pretty sure. Okay, so if you like this video and if you like these all sentences and if you are little satisfied with this class, I would request you to pass some positive comment in the comment section that okay, it's good. And if it is not good, okay, if you do not like these sentences, tell me you are not teaching well, you are not teaching good, but please never pay attention on this pathetic writing, because here I feel shame, right? Because actually in my school days I was not paying attention on writing. I'll share my experience. One day I'll just go back my village, and I will draw your kind attention that how did I learn spoken, what I did, okay, where I studied, what I did, miss how did I get the government job, everything. I will make video and I will let you know. But now my intention is crystal clear, just to bring your little attention so that you can start speaking in English. All right. And people think that study in government school, I do not have involvement, how can I speak? You just have to you have to have faith that nothing is impossible for me. Nobody can stop me to reach my goal. I can do. I have confidence. I love my parents. I believe in my work. So result is going to come. I'm damn sure that I'll get the result. This attitude, your attitude is going to change you. And if you are having attitude, then you can walk with confidence that I have an attitude. No one can stop me. I will get success one day. I will become something. I will learn English within a short period of time. It doesn't matter. I took about a year, but I didn't leave the practice. I didn't give up because my attitude was crystal clear. I had only one thing in my mind, that the day will come definitely. People will give my examples. Alright? I'll share you my experience. Okay? One day. Actually, I have also shared my experience in Wagdi. So if you are alright, if you like Wagdi, you can watch that video. Otherwise, I will convert it. Means I will make a new video with the combination of Hindi, Wagdi and English. And there I'll share my actual experience. I will let you know each and everything about my experience, my past experience. Okay? So my dear lovely students, these sentences can help you out to make your daily routine. And if you utilize these all words, you just, what you have to do, note down these all sentences, okay, and just practice in front of mirror. Once you have your practice, all right, then allow yourself, okay, do not worry, speak loudly, call your mom, mama please stand here, I'm going to speak something. Okay, if you do not get any reply, no need to worry. Okay, let them pass any comment. Your friends will laugh at you. Okay, your best friends will laugh at you because you are learning. You are not having the environment, but you are creating environment. So therefore, you will be the puppet in people's hand. Alright? But the day where you will say, okay, people will tell you, you deserve for this success. You deserve for this result. Therefore, my students, nothing is impossible. Give your 100%. If you give your 100%, result is going to come. Alright? So, be with me. Tomorrow I am going to make the part 3. Okay? And in part 3, what am I going to teach you? I won't tell you now. I'll tell you tomorrow. Alright? So, you have to share this video to your friends, your relatives, your neighborhood, your neighbor, everywhere around the corner in Rajasthan. Those who are studying in government school, colleges, your friends, whether they are in private school, send them. Okay, if they are beginners, freshers, and even though if they are not freshers, they are brilliant, super talented, tell them to watch this video. Alright, so I hope you like this video. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Have a good day. God bless you.